Okay, so I made it back. Um, all the people with the crucifixes in their cars refusing to give me a lift in the scorching heat with a walking stick, and two scousers did. I thought, yeah, mine head, please, don't bugger me. Um, so I made it back, and I'm going to have to decide what to upload and what not to upload. First of all, I went out thinking I might find three places that are on a satellite image, but not on Google Maps. What I found was quite terrifying, actually. First of all, I found one of the locations, which was this beautiful old house, but it's an forward operating position. It's like an OP. You've got a barn around the back with a massive solar array. It's not the solar panels that's the expense. It's what's inside that barn. The inverters, the batteries, the energy storage. It's 100 grams worth of kit. Apparently, all it's for, I can see, is to provide electric to an abandoned house, which has Wi-Fi in every room, which is kind of strange. But that was one of the properties. The other one, which looked to the southernmost of the map, that's called Home Farm. On the map, has no name, doesn't exist. On Google Maps, doesn't exist. And the gates for these places are there's lots of gates, there's lots of fences. That particular gate was double my height, talk about 15 feet tall, barbed wire, and I'm 90% sure the guards were armed. There were a lot of people walking around with like guard dogs, a lot of security. Um, the main house I couldn't get to, I couldn't get close enough. I even tried going around the front on the coast because there's so much security, electrified razor wire, infrared sensors, cameras, bloody, bip stuff to get into things. Really, really high security for a place that does not exist on a map. I tried to go when I camped on the shore. I did try to follow the coast around with my dodgy ankles, and I saw one staircase going up to this. It's a compound. It's a giant compound, stately home compound that doesn't exist. And I got up to the staircase, and it's massive security fencing there as well. I went round a little bit further, but the tide was coming in. It's that simple. The tide comes in so fast, I would have got cut off. But I got just around the corner from there, and there was a pile of bones. Now, some of them were horned animals, goats sort of thing, but they all had one horn ripped off, and they've been dumped. You can see it's on the bottom. I see it on the beach, underneath the cliff, for this property. So they've been killing these animals and dumping them en masse with after ripping off a horn. This combined with a lot of the names of places, you get gateways all over the place, and you get gateway written on fence posts, and you get like deliverance and all these Messianic Middle Eastern type phrases written in places and symbols. It's it was freaking me out. So yeah, I found most of what I was looking for. Got freaked out by a lot of it. A lot of the footpaths have been booby trapped and sabotaged. Things like they've dug up streams so they channel it down a footpath, public one, so you can't use them. They've cut down trees to actually physically block footpaths. I did get this on camera. So they physically blocked with rubbish and woodland trees and stuff to stop people from going on public footpaths, just to keep it away from the area. It doesn't look military, but it does look high security, as in armed security. The temptation is to try and get a boat, hire one, and get back down there and see what I can see from the sea. So, cute video.